All right, we're back for Eureka Math Squared. I'm Mr. Short. You're here to get some help with fourth grade Module 4, Lesson 12, which is, look at that, this one around. Today we're on pages 71 and 72. Let's get into this one. It says, label the number line to show fractions greater than 1, then use multiplication to express the equivalence. Okay, so 1 stops right here. So if we count to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I went past it, so start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right now, this is 8 eighths, right? 8 eighths. And we went by it 1, 2. So I know this says fourths, but I just counted 8. So over here, they're trying to get us to figure this out. So what do I got to multiply 4 by to get to 8? Because we just counted 8 to here. So we know, I'm going to write this over here. It's going to be over 8 because look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If they give it to you, use it. They're giving you the answer of what 1 is. 1 is 8 eighths. So what do I have to multiply 4 by to get to 8? So what times 4 times what equals 8? 2. So if you multiply the bottom by it, you got to multiply the top by it, 2. So that would be 10 eighths. So now look if we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eighths. So 10 eighths, right? 10 eighths is the same as 5 fourths, which makes sense because we multiplied both of them by 2. Makes sense to you? Makes sense to me. All right. Let's look at the next one. It says label the number line to show the mixed number. Then use multiplication to express the equivalence. So here they're not giving us as many numbers. Well, they do give us one hint. So let's look at that. From 0 to 1, they don't show us anything. That's not helping us. But from 1 to 2, we have something here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that just showed us 6, right? So that means this 1 is 6 over 6. So that means our bottom number is now 6. So if I got to get this, where this is going to, I'm crossing this out. I'm doing it right here. I have 1. My bottom number is going to be 6. What did I have to multiply 3 by to get to 6? So what times 3, or 3 times what equals 6? What's your answer? 2. 2. So the 1 doesn't change. We leave that 1 alone. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So this would be 1 and 4 sixths. Right? Does that make sense to you? Makes great sense to me. So 1 and 4 sixths is the same as 1 and 2/3. All right, good job on that. Down here, complete the equation. All you have to do is figure out 9 divided by 3 equals what? And once you figure that out, or 3 times what equals 9? Either way, same thing. So once you figure that out, multiply 4 by the same number and put that number right here. Down here, the 3's are going to stay the same. But what did you multiply 1 by to get to 2? 1 times what equals 2? Take whatever that number is that you multiply 1 by to get to 2 and multiply 2 by it to get this answer right here. Okay? You guys got this. You guys knocked this out of the park. So we're not worried about that one. All right, let's look at the back. It says, Deepa needs to walk her dog for 30 minutes. She walks her dog from 3:53 p.m. to 4:14 p.m. How many more minutes does Deepa need to walk her dog? All right, so she needs to walk for 30 minutes. And it says, how many more minutes does she need to? So this is going to be a subtraction problem. So you need to figure out how many minutes is it from 3:53 to 4:14. Put that number here, and then do the subtraction to find your answer. That's all the help you get on that one today. All right, hey, I appreciate it. We've been getting some more numbers and subscribers. Tell a friend at another school. Help that friend out. and then maybe they'll help a friend out. And then maybe by everyone helping each other out to find more of this, Mr. Short can get some more subscribers. All right? I hope this helps. I hope you had a good day. I hope you remember this is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 12 on pages 71 and 72. And as always, have a good night.